Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of FxPro app. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then here in this page you will search about FxPro and you will enter here in this page of FxPro app. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of FxPro and then you will update your app if you find update.